Latest research and development. 1. Scientists create new magnetic state, the magneto-ionic vortex, VORTION. By controlling this state, researchers can enable the development of smarter, reconfigurable, and energy-efficient devices that function like the brain. 2. Solar power reimagined. New, black metal, device generates 15x more electricity. Researchers have developed a solar thermoelectric generator that is 15 times more efficient than the most advanced devices currently available. 3. Stunning new NASA Perseverance rover images show Mars clearer than ever before. NASA's Perseverance rover has delivered one of its sharpest panoramas yet, revealing sweeping Martian vistas from the Fallbridge site. 4. Scientists eye black holes as cosmic supercolliders in the hunt for dark matter. A new study suggests that nature might already be running its own supercolliders inside spinning supermassive black holes. 5. Mysterious radio signals reveal what's hiding between galaxies. Most of the universe's visible matter has been mysteriously missing until now. 6. 400 years after their discovery, red blood cells continue to astonish scientists. Penn researchers have revealed that red blood cells, not just platelets, play an active role in clot contraction. 7. Parts of the brain defy aging and even improve over time. New high-resolution brain scans reveal that while some parts of the cerebral cortex thin with age, others remain stable, or even grow thicker, especially in regions that process touch. 8. How recharging the brain's batteries restored lost memory. Mitochondria are tiny structures inside our cells that supply the energy our bodies need to survive, and scientists are steadily uncovering more about how they work. A new study in Nature Neuroscience, led by researchers at INSERM and the University of Bordeaux's Neurocentre Magendie in partnership with the Université de Moncton in Canada, has for the first time shown a direct cause and effect relationship between malfunctioning mitochondria and the cognitive problems linked to neurodegenerative diseases. 9. Scientists warn, your eco-friendly wood stove may be releasing toxic pollutants. Research reveals that even modern eco-designed stoves can emit dangerous pollutants indoors. Ventilation and fuel choice greatly influence exposure levels. 10. Dementia often mistaken for normal aging, leading to years of delay. Many people with dementia endure long delays, often over 3 years, before receiving a diagnosis, with even longer waits for younger patients. 11. $2 one-drop blood test detects hidden diseases in 15 minutes. A new $2 gold nanoparticle test can detect deadly diseases in minutes, without a lab, offering life-saving speed and accuracy anywhere in the world. 12. This Martian rock's mysterious spots may reveal clues to ancient life. By studying the leopard-like spots on rocks from Earth and Mars now, scientists will be ready to analyze returned space samples when they arrive. Thanks for watching this video.